57 rolls. Getting ready to drain the oil. I want to drain the water, which is a freaking treat to get to. But enough about that. Also, that's some cute work right there. Zip ties, a little duct tape. That's some high-end shit, baby. Wow. Overspray. Oh, that's sway-bar link's bent. That's cute. That one's really bent. That's extra cute. Fun. Yes, fun. Rollers are so fun. Brought the car back down after I broke that loose. So I want to keep the splishy splash to a minimum. I'm sure this is going to be my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Oh! Oh, girl. Oh, my. Trying to get a photo of that. This is not good. Oh, God. There's a little metal in that. We've got glitter. We need to discuss this. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. This is worse than we thought. Wow, look at that. Wow, it's not good. Oh no. Well, it looks a little yucky. Alright, so we're going to be resealing each one of these head bolts one by one. We're going to clean it and do sealant instead of anti-seize, because, as you saw prior, there was water and oil mixture because somebody used anti-seize like an idiot. And I hope that the bottom end is okay, but customer wants to do it this way first, so okie dokie. This is how much bank was on there. Give me a hand. For the love of God. Oh my God. Come on, man. And this guy was a professional mechanic, right? Sure he was. What a disaster. Good Lord Almighty. Ugh. Ugh. What the fuck? Oh, God. Why do people do this? There was so much anti-seize on this one that it was actually seized to it. It's like hydraulic. Ridiculous. It just keeps getting better. Good Lord. The Brits are weird. Ironing the duck washers to obtain slipping poundage. That sounds kind of kinky.